I'm Carrie Chesney with the Colorado Department of Labor, Division of Labor Standards and Statistics. In this video, I will be teaching you about paid sick leave. Most Colorado employers are required to provide paid sick leave to employees working in Colorado. All employees earn or accrue 1 hour of accrued paid sick leave for every 30 hours worked, up to 48 hours per year. Employers may provide more sick leave if they choose. For example, a retail worker is scheduled to work one weekend for 2 8-hour days, but the worker gets sick before their first weekend shift. The retail worker already has at least 16 hours of sick leave previously earned in the year and notifies their manager that they will be using their sick leave to stay home to manage their illness. Their employer may not: 1. Deny this request for paid sick leave if leave is available, or 2. Retaliate against the employee for using paid sick leave, or 3. Request or require proof of the illness. However, after an employee has taken a minimum of 4 sick days consecutively, an employer may request documentation of illness, such as a doctor's note. Note: Colorado paid sick leave can only be used for certain outlined conditions. Conditions include: for any medical care, diagnosis, care, treatment, or preventative care, or when a mental or physical illness, injury, or condition prevents working, or due to domestic abuse, sex assault, or criminal harassment, or due to a workplace or school caregiver closure and a public health emergency, or grieving, funeral memorial attendance, or financial legal needs after the death of a family member, or due to inclement weather, power, heating, or water loss, or other unexpected event in which the worker must evacuate their residence or care for a family member whose place of care has closed. To see all conditions in which paid sick leave should be provided to you, please see the explainer in the DLSS Infos number 6 through number 6C at coloradolaborlaw.gov. Use of paid sick leave to care for an immediate family member who is ill or injured also qualifies, as long as the employee has earned paid sick leave available to them. Remember, most Colorado employees, with very few exceptions, have a right to take paid sick leave with full pay and return to work without any adverse consequences to their employment. Colorado paid sick leave is also available to employees in the public sector. For more information about the conditions on paid sick leave, please see the division's website at cdle.colorado.gov/infos. If you think you are owed wages, you can file a claim with the Division of Labor Standards and Statistics at cdle.colorado.gov/complaints. If you are not sure whether you are owed wages, you can visit the division's website, coloradolaborlaw.gov. Call 303-318-8441 or email cdle_labor_standards@state.co.us. Thanks for watching.